Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 168, and today's topic is what is a user flow diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, you can generate a user flow diagram in ALN Studio as well. But before that, let's understand what is a user flow diagram in ALN Studio. In ALN Studio, a user flow diagram helps you visually represent the journey of a user through an application, website, or system. It shows how users move from one screen or action to another, including decisions, interactions, and possible paths they take. When you start creating a user flow diagram, you can represent elements like screens, actions, decisions, points, and navigation flow in structured way. This makes it easier to understand user behavior, improve user experience, and decision better application flow. So basically, a user flow diagram in ALN Studio helps you to create clear and structured visual representation of user journey and interaction. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.